Wow, what is all of this?
Get your wrench in there. Get
Oh.
one in there.
Mike wants to enjoy the anticipation right now.
Now the bottom one's giving us hassle. It's full of something. Ooh, is this a coin? Is this a coin? Is it? Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are here at this unit. I paid $1,100 for one, and one specific reason only, and that is there is a safe. As you can see right there, the place plays music nonstop, so I probably won't be able to film. The unit itself didn't intrigue me that much. You see a guitar, you see just some random stuff, outdoor decor, etc. But the fact is there was a safe. It was going cheap, so I said screw it, and I went with $1,100 just because I needed to see what was in this locked safe. With that being said, we'll try to film some of this, and what we don't, we're just going to show you in a fast forward motion, or if there even really is anything good in here, we'll see. It looks like messy, tossed, etc. So far, everything I'm pulling seems to be looking like trash or junk or whatever, but I found these right here, empty coin boxes. Could that be a sign of what is inside of there? Wow, what is all of this? Can any of these have a coin in them? That feels like it does. Oh, please let there be coins in these. Oh my, it's just a box of them. Could there be something in there? Narcotics Anonymous. Wow. This is getting good, ladies and gentlemen. The story unfolds. I open this up, and what do I see? Coin things, coin things. Every one of them opened up. You think it's heavy and you feel like there's coins? Nothing, they're gone. Every one of them that I've touched. It's sickening, to be honest with you. Proof set, mint. Proof set, mint. Constitution coins. You open one up, you almost feel like there's coins in there, and they're not. Where are they? Come on, could Daddy have a gold coin? True proof coins. No. Well, the only consolation that we have right now is that all of these are inside of that safe right there. If we can come up with that, then we've hit the mother load. Because these are some good coins. This could very well pay for the unit, just this fine. Because right now we're looking at, not though. What we got here? Kitchen stuff. Oh, a rooster. Anything cool in this kitchen stuff? Let's see here. So far, no. Regular stuff. Knives. Kitchen. Almost silver. Almost silver. Well, I was hoping that this would have something cool in it. Imagine that. No one ever steals the kitchen stuff, right? Okay. Cool. Old stuff. Dog food. All right. This doesn't look too promising. Yeah. I should have known. I should have known. Okay, cool. Whew, an almost cool item right here. Yamaha record player. Look at that. Almost something neat. All right, we almost found something cool here. It is the Led Zeppelin 404 of 2500 CD set, gold plated. I don't know if that constitutes as a great item, but it is a lot better than the nothing I've been filming for you guys so far. Yeah,
with what you saw so far, tell me if you would have gambled 1,100 plus on this storage, you just see what's inside this safe.
Wouldn't be that far down, would it?
No. All depends on the year it was made. I'm just filming it. What's that?
This is almost kind of cool here. I don't know what it is, but Rock and Roll Theater, Howard Timmon. If only silver dollars are worth their weight in gold, we'd be rich. Sadly, this is probably the most intriguing box in the whole unit. It is McDonald's toys. Yeah, this has been the most exciting box in here. Woody's chick, Jessie, I should say. Shout out to Jessie. All right, that unit is a wrap. Wow, what a day it's been so far. Not found nothing. That was one of the worst units I probably ever bought. Again, this has not been my week for buying storages, I don't think. But we have a safe left. If you saw, there was a huge coin collection taken out of the box. And the only thing I could think in my head is that that coin collection is inside that safe. So we're going to wait and see if Benji can get in it while we get started on this next unit that we are about to deal with. Until we get to that moment, cross your fingers and manifest coins.
So we have resorted to using the tools because the little trick he had with getting the emergency button to open was not working. So let's see if we can pry this baby. We got doodads, we got pry bars, we got hammers, we got more tools than we have hands. Careful there, Benji.
Was hoping the safe was going to be a lot easier to open than it is or was. There's supposed to be a little button you slide down. If you saw him earlier when he first got there, you try to slide it through. There's like an emergency like reset button that'll pop and trigger the door, but we couldn't get it. This is the only one that won't come out. These two are done.
We're trying to get the last hinge out now. We got 2 open. We need 1 more to go. This safe has been not as hard. If you guys have recalled, I have 1 safe I've still yet to crack. We got to get a plasma cutter. But right now, look, right there, we got to get in there and pry that open. The tools are not exactly the best tools. They're kind of short. The longer the pry bar, the better in these situations. They give more leverage on the pull, where these don't.
Get your wrench in there. Get in there.
Mike wants to enjoy the anticipation right now.
Yeah. Now the bottom one's giving us hassle.
Okay.
Oh, wow. It's full of something. Wow.
Oh,
I don't
look at
know.
that. Oh my gosh.
What? What do you see?
The hat. The Harley Davidson hat.
I want to find all the silver damn coins that are empty.
Look at that, man. Really?
Yeah, that's the old one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hey, do you mind if I just watch along with this?
Oh, you can. So far, this unit has been really, really bad. So
Mike needs to find some good stuff.
I just want to find something to bring my money back. That is not the stuff you want to see in a safe. Benji, see if you see something good in there.
I kind of want you to enjoy this one.
I would just want to find some dang money. One 1964 coin. Gun pocket vest. There's like literally nothing in this thing here, Benji.
Sadly, the place had speakers going everywhere. It was so hard to film. Editing this video has kind of been a nightmare, trying to edit out every single space where there was no words spoken. We're going to try going with an audio over. Now, remember, at the end of this video, I'll show you what I did with this unit. But for now, we're still trying to get our money back on this, I think, $1,100 purchase. Hoping the safe is full of something. It was kind of a downfall to see all that box of coins and there was no coins in there. The only thing in my head is please be coins inside of the safe. I think these are like Boy Scout medals or something. I'm unsure exactly what they were because this unit's long gone. Then we had these few coins here. I believe 2 of those were silver and 1 was not silver. Or the other 3 were not. Not what I was expecting to see for a coin collection. I was hoping to see like massive, just hundreds of coins in this baby open. You want to talk about my heart skipped? You see what's that for dice playing games? This right here was probably one of the nicest items I found. And there's probably about a $40 bill. It's a Led Zeppelin picture disc with Jimmy Page on it. I believe that's Jimmy Page or Robert Plant, one of the two. Carrying on, we're just pulling out little boxes. You see something like this, you think automatically jewelry. You think, oh my God, we hit the big one. No, we got keys. We have a inexpensive gold colored, and I emphasize the word colored pocket watch. We have a non-valuable Hot Wheel. We have a watch that was not gold. And we just keep thumbing through here, and we have just trivial. It's like pocket things. This is the equivalent of a box that somebody just puts the things that were loose in their pocket. Those were not silver coins. One of them was on the bottom there. The other one was not. But we had 1 out of 5 coins there. If you remember correctly, I believe I auctioned off those few silver coins, and a couple were like actually the 1964 to 1969 silver coins with only 40% value. I auction those off on my live auction on my channel that goes every single Sunday. If you guys enjoy auctions, I occasionally do it, but not all the time. As well, often little trinkets like this end up in $25 mystery boxes. So if anybody has any interest in mystery boxes, feel free to go to www.storageauctionpirate.com and order a mystery box. Oh, we're getting down to it in this safe. Trying to find something. Come on, gold. Come on, silver. Please. This is exactly what it's like to be in a storage business. You see a safe, you gamble. If you guys remember, there was a safe I found once with $26,000 in it. One of my favorite videos I ever filmed. It's something that makes things like this just go nuts in your brain. You constantly think every time you see a safe, you're going to repeat that history. And the fact is, the average human who has a safe is really just guarding precious memories, things that have personal attachment, things that they hold dear to their heart. Every safe don't mean gold, silver, gems, and projectile dispensers. We got a candle, we got a broken watch, we got a used possible beer cup. Look, there's a pill bottle. That almost had me there. I thought this was gold for like 3.5 seconds. My heart sunk. I'm thinking, right on, we got gold. But no. Wouldn't that be nice if that was a Patek Philippe? I'd settle for a solid gold Patek Philippe watch right now. We got more just doodads and trinkets and little Chofskis, they call them. I believe they call them Chofskis. We're getting down to the bottom shelf now. Can't show personal photos. Come on, no more paperwork. Let's see gold. Let's see silver. Let's see gems. Nope, that is a leather shirt. And we got coins. Nope, no coins. Imagine that. Wah, wah, wah. Ooh, what could be wrapped in this blue velvet bag? Please be something of value. Ooh, we got a green pouch and it was empty. Then we got a hat. Then we have that. Whatever that was. This is just ludicrous. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty in this safe. It looks like we have just this one thing on the bottom right to go through. There's your typical. That is one of the most 100% common things you ever see in a safe is personal paperwork like Social Security's, last will and testament, special documents that people are afraid other people will get to. That is probably the 99.9% most common thing found in a storage unit. Ooh, we almost thought we had like the rare sterling silver red line right there. Right now, the morale is low. I'm getting a little unexcited. It's like, what do I do? Do I keep going through it or do I just say screw it because it's not looking promising? That's how I feel sometimes. You keep finding coins like this. You keep thinking there's going to be like a coin set and poof. See, there should have been 8 silver dollars inside of that container, but they're not there. Trying to remain positive. Positive is our name right now. Come on, Michael. You could do it. Pull something out of there of value. A hard drive. Wow. Ooh, what is this here? Do we have a sign from Bethel Island 2004? Okay. Almost something cool. Our heart's beating and our mind is racing. What is in these last few boxes? Is that a coin box? Is there a coin in there? Can it be? No, again, we've been bamboozled. Jeez. Come on. Come on. Nope. Books? Who puts books in a safe? Come on now. Paper. Ooh, does that look like a coin? No, it's not. It's a piece of paper. Ooh, one more chance at romance. Is there a coin? Imagine that, ladies and gentlemen. We're pretty much getting to the end of the barrel here. We have, have you seen, like almost no value inside of this safe? Look, we got a flip phone box. We got another cell phone box. We got a piece of paper. This is just blowing me away. The reality of this business is I would buy this unit again, just like this, for the same price, because it has a safe. And I am a storage auction pirate roaming the storage business, looking for safes full of gold, silver, and gems. And sometimes if you don't swing the bat, you will never hit a home run. Right now, I'm literally just kind of like, I don't know, I'm dumbfounded. I'm sitting here just staring, thinking in my head, what did I do? I spent $1,100, what is it, maybe almost $1,200 on this storage unit. Time, money, hoping that something I pull out, like a $100 bill, is going to fall out of. There's going to be a weird little pocket of safe of money. And then, poof, there was actually some money. This one piece made it to my auction actually on YouTube, but was not some super treasure to be found.
And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, that's the way the cookie crumbles. I was hoping that thing was going to be full of gold, silver, and gems, but no, that was one of the world's worst safes I've ever seen in my life. It was full of nothing, absolutely nothing. This thing was prized possessions of zero value. Nonetheless, we got in there. At least there was something to see. We found a few coins. These right here is probably a few bucks right here as well, too. And the rest is que sera. Now for the quick update on the unit, and that is, as soon as I bought the unit, I went home. The woman who owned the unit somehow got my number, texted me, and asked me if I would sell her back some of her stuff. I told her, give me $1,000. I'll give you the whole unit. She gave me $1,000. However, I did sell a few silver coins, and I did sell one green coin book and the little tiny watch with the silver band. I gave every single thing else back to the woman. I hope she's happy with getting her stuff back. I don't like buying people's stuff. It's just a business. But when I have contact with the people, I don't want nothing to do with it. I just let go. There's always plenty of storage units to be made money on when the person's not in contact with you.